Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot about, doing a devlog, but I'm really excited to share with you guys presentation week, and it was really chaotic with a lot of tech issues and migration and stuff like that. So I'm going to explain all our solutions and ideas. There won't be much coding in today's devlog, but we'll have a little bit. So, first thing I did was I added a new Outlook feature. However, it's really troublesome dealing with replies and stuff, so I just basically gave up on that and just said, okay, you can just, get your emails here. You can click on it, view it on Outlook. So, that was basically the weekend. We've been just doing the presentation, and all hands on deck. It was crowded with like 10 people around one table. We presented, everything was all good, and since we had 10 people, the teacher said, I've never seen this many people in a presentation before. I don't know if that's a good thing or if that's a bad thing, but now it's passed, so. Since there's so many people, they wanted to get to know the core group that's been developing projects. So that's me and 3 other members. We had a talk. Hey guys, editing me here. So it's the present day, and I have a few more updates for you. But I want to summarize what I said yesterday, because yesterday me was extremely messy. So, first point is that they wanted to schedule a further meeting with the 4 of us, meeting the Powerschool and Moodle developers, so we can tell them our ideas. And since the teacher said most of our ideas actually belong on Moodle instead of Powerschool. What I want to talk about is a silver bullet solution. A silver bullet solution is when we try to be everything at once, but what it turns out is it's not really good at everything it does. Giving the example, putting Moodle on Powerschool. Since Powerschool does not support HTML, apparently, you can't really upload and schedule. So we have 4 core apps in school. Number 1 is our email. Number 2 is Google. We use that to do all our work. Number 3 is Powerschool, which we get all our information from. And number 4 is our Moodle, where the class is structured. However, we only probably use it for links. And however, you're developing Powerschool and Moodle. If you're saying that you're developing Powerschool and Moodle, you have a developer for that. Can't you just ask the developer to support HTML? And also, instead of putting Moodle on Powerschool, as Moodle actually have more features, couldn't it be easier to put a homework tab or something on Moodle? So that would be easier. And since you're a developer, you can develop whatever you want. So just develop it. So another solution that Better Powerschool is actually doing right now is a third-party solution. And since the design is not really good and it would be just a mess if we try to clean up all the UI, why don't we just start over and create new clean UI, and then we just simply data scrape the information off your databases and render them. And Better Powerschool is already doing that. We're already data scraping information off Moodle and Powerschool. But it'll be easier for you since you literally have access to the database, and we don't have to go through a painful process of sifting through all your HTML elements. You have the raw content. It makes it so easy to make third party like a hub to centralize Moodle and Powerschool, which would be so much better and more cleaner UI since you're starting all over again, not using previous Moodle or Powerschool. One thing they did say, though, is they're developing Moodle 2.0. I do not know the exact details of that, but they would be stealing ideas and putting it on Moodle 2.0. I don't know what ideas they're stealing, but they're stealing some ideas. Again, we will not be developers, sadly, and you can probably find anyone else that has used Moodle. They have ran into the same exact issue, but I'm not complaining here. The thing is, to get hired, we are going to keep making better whatever they do, and then if they copy us, we're just going to keep making better and better tools until they hire us, which is a really simple solution. As chances are, they're probably not going to be hiring us. But until they finish Moodle 2.0, right now, we're still developing their Powerschool. And now we're actually starting to make a Moodle render feature. So instead of going to Moodle for your courses with a quick access feature, it'll be directly displayed in Better Powerschool. So there will be absolutely no reason to go to Moodle unless Better Powerschool does not support one of the features, which completely uses a silver bullet solution to solve it. And now Better Powerschool is now Powerschool and Moodle at the same time. So yeah, everyone use Better Powerschool now. No more Moodle users once we finish developing this feature. We're already working in progress developing this feature, but that would be the exact details. Another point I want to talk to you about is URL migrations. So our original URL is just a testing URL. It's from a previous lost project and a failed business idea. So we had to change it, obviously. So we changed it to ourschoolname.tools. And the teacher, the head teacher of IT probably, sent us an email saying that you can't use the school name in the domain. So we refunded the domain, obviously, and now we're planning to buy a new domain that I obviously cannot tell you for privacy reasons, but I might tell you in the future. So stay tuned for that. That's 2 points I want to talk to you about. We're in the process of buying the new domain, and we do have some investors who would kindly let us use their money, which I'm really grateful, so thank you. I would just want to say thank you to all of the support. Thank you everyone who just joined BP, sake of the presentation. And yeah, that would be the end of this video, so I'll see you next week. Yes, oh my god, I have camp tomorrow, RIP me.